The surface preparation phase should be viewed as the most important when installing Smith stains. Proper preparation results in longevity, minimizes potential failures, and creates the best environment for aesthetically pleasing work of art. In short, the more detail and time allotted to this phase of the project will dramatically affect the appearance and durability of the finished surface. What is proper surface preparation? In order to answer this question, it is best to gain an understanding of what we are trying to prepare or clean. Think of concrete as being a hard sponge. This hard sponge is porous, which allows the transfer of moisture. Furthermore, the outer shell or the surface of the concrete, when viewed through a microscope, looks like an English muffin with the nooks and crannies. The goal of surface preparation is to remove all the dirt, grease, grime, oils, powders, and other foreign materials from the substrate, including materials residing in the nooks and crannies of the concrete. Whether it's newly cured concrete or an old slab, surface preparation must be conducted in order to achieve a successful decorative concrete installation. Optimal surface preparation is via mechanical abrasion with grinding equipment. However, this is not always practical due to the size and location of the slab, as well as the cost of the machinery. Surface preparation can be achieved without the use of grinding equipment by utilizing a cleaner in conjunction with agitation, water, and extraction. Smith Paint Products offers two surface preparation products, Smith's Green Clean and Smith's Cleaner and Toughener, also known as CT8. These cleaners, coupled with agitation, will help bring unwanted inhibitors into suspension. Once the inhibitors are in suspension, they must be extracted from the intended application surface with vigorous rinsing via pressure washer for exterior applications, or rinsing and extraction with a wet, dry vacuum or auto scrubber for interior applications. Smith's Green Clean is recommended for, but not limited to, interior applications as well as smooth troweled surfaces. Green Clean is an organic gelled acid developed to both clean the surface and create a texture in the concrete. The gel structure allows the Green Clean to stay on the surface and not wick into the substrate. Smith Paint Products does not recommend the use of muriatic acid as a surface preparation option for Smith's decorative concrete products. Muriatic acid is a strong corrosive mineral acid that is not user-friendly. Furthermore, when muriatic acid is applied to concrete, its low viscosity allows the material to wick into the substrate. As the muriatic acid continues to react, it produces fine powdered mineral salts within the concrete matrix. When the muriatic acid is neutralized, it is only neutralizing the surface of the concrete. The acidic material that has wicked into the substrate is not neutralized. As the slab begins to dry, the acid-contaminated moisture within the slab migrates to the surface. Once this moisture is at the surface, the water will evaporate, leaving fine mineral powders that were solubilized in the migrating moisture. These residual powders will act as a bond breaker. As previously mentioned, Green Clean is a gelled structure which resides on the surface of the concrete. Green Clean does not require neutralization and is readily removed with a pressure washer or auto scrubber. For exterior applications that are textured, use Smith's Green Clean or CT8. Please follow the application instructions for either product or review the instructional video available at smithpaints.com. As per the application instructions, a 12,000 work unit pressure washer in conjunction with a 0-degree rotating nozzle creating an overlapping line pattern is necessary. Please note that 12,000 work units are required to effectively clean the concrete. The water pressure along with the narrow stream resulting from a 0-degree rotating nozzle will remove inhibitors while massaging the nooks and crannies of the concrete. Hold the tip of the pressure washer approximately 15 inches away from the surface to avoid scarring of the concrete. If excess scarring of the concrete is occurring, increase the distance between the surface and the tip. In areas of the concrete where proper cure has not occurred or where the substrate is unstable, the force of the pressure washer will remove the unwanted material. It is the responsibility of the installer to utilize the surface preparation phase to better understand the concrete substrate. If the stain or other decorative products are applied to an unstable or an unprepared concrete slab, optimal durability of the products will not be achieved, resulting in failure. Once the surface preparation phase has been completed, conduct a tape test. Focus on areas such as corners and steps, which are harder to clean. Remember, the stain or other decorative products do not have the ability to choose what it will adhere to. It is up to the installer to make sure the product is adhering to the substrate. It is the manufacturer's job to provide products, methods, and understanding to achieve proper surface preparation. All of that said, Remember, concrete is never the same from one slab to the next. Thus, a cookie-cutter approach where one method will achieve success on all slabs is not realistic. Understanding basic concepts will help recognize problem slabs and potential pitfalls.